How long should I put it on for?
6 seconds. I'm scared.
It's recording, dumbass.
Ew, it smells. I'm